Hi, it's Sarah from Drone Minds. In this video we'll be testing the Parrot Hydrofoil, which is a mini drone attached to the boat that you can detach and also fly by itself.
Shit.
Hope you liked our video. There is just a couple of things that I'd like to mention about the Parrot Hydrofoil. Now, basically, overall, it's a great fun, great toy, mini drone, and I think the better aspect is it going on the water because it's something like I haven't done before. Because you could see, it's quite tricky, gets stuck on the grass sometimes, so you have to be mindful about where you're going. It's very easy to connect it to your Parrot app, Free Flight, and I just wanted to show you what the controllers look like for when you're using it. The battery life is not very long, so we got some extra batteries. So if you're thinking of getting it for someone else, definitely get some extra batteries, because it would be quite disappointing if you went out and have to come back after 7-10 minutes. It's just connecting to the Orc, it's called, and then you have an option to choose whether you want it as a mini drone or as the boat. It's a Bluetooth connection, so it's not always reliable, and if it flies away, it's sometimes easier to crash it, especially if you're not sure where it's going. So I mean, this is the controllers that you use for using for the Hydrofoil. It's pretty straightforward and it's quite easy. There's a bit of a delay as well, so it takes a bit of practice to get it just right. I hope you liked the video, and that's it. See you soon. It'll be fine, it's waterproof.